Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's me, Mark, from Boat Adventures. Now, as you can tell, I am not on the boat today, but I've got something I was going to share with you. As you know, I've been using my phone with a microphone to try and do these videos on the boat, and for me, it's not really working. So, I've bit the bullet and I've got myself something that I'm going to use instead. And it's just been delivered by the postman. So what I thought I'd do is open it with you guys, because I haven't even opened it yet. So let's have a look, see what we've got inside here. And hopefully we'll have some much nicer, at least audio, because I have real trouble with the microphone when it's a bit windy and etc. So I've got myself a GoPro Black Creator Edition. Apparently I'm a creator. So let's see what we've got here. We've got to open this. We'll peel this open. And it comes in a nice box. Look at that. Eh? That's nice, isn't it? Nice packaging from these guys. They know what they're doing, don't they? So, let's have a look. What we've got here. Quick start. Must be updated before you can use it, apparently. Bits and paper. Now, I've gone for this one because it came with a handle, and I find holding the phone a bit of a pain when you're trying to do something. So hopefully, here's my handle. We'll be able to set this up. It's a tripod as well, I believe. There we go. So it can be a tripod, it can be a handle, I think it's a battery, it's a jack of all trades thing. What else is in here? This piece that goes on the GoPro. It's got a better microphone there. So hopefully we should eliminate some of the wind noise at least. What else? Here's the main event. Little GoPro, look how small that is. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to get a mount and I'm going to put this on my jacket or hat or something, and then we'll be able to do some footage of me, you see what I see kind of thing. Nice. I'll get the paper off. So it should be quite exciting moving forward. Peel off the little bits of protective paper. And how do we get it out of there? I see. On the back. Says I must update it before we can use it. Oh, there it is. So, well packaged. Can't even open it. I'll have to take one. Take that bit of paper off there. Look at that. It's fancy, isn't it? Screen on the front. Screen on the back. Very nice. Now then, this goes in here. I'll have to have a look at that. Have a play with that, how that connects to that, how that goes in there. Does that come apart? It does come apart. Nothing like reading the instructions, eh? Maybe we'll come back to that. And also in the box, what else have we got in the box? We've got this little feature, which is a little light. which can go on top of this one. So we can have a light on there as well. That goes on there, that goes on there. Camera goes in the middle. And we should be all singing, all dancing. What's in this one? This one's the battery. Underneath the second layer of the box is all sorts of fittings, bits and pieces to connect it to various things. Clips, mostly clips, USB cables, and what else we got here? Oh, this is handy. A muffler for when it's windy. Even better. That goes on there, look. That should give us a good chance, wouldn't it? It's kind of an unboxing, this thing, isn't it? Lots of fittings to connect it to bits and pieces, cables, screws. Nice case, nice zippable case. Instructions there. Got the little logo on the front there, look at that. Lovely. Yeah, so this should be an upgrade from my old iPhone that I'm currently using now. And we should be able to get some decent footage, or content, as they say in the world of videoing. So thanks for watching this little update. I'm going to try and get something over the weekend with the new camera. So it's very exciting. Although the weather is looking a bit windy down where we are, and it's, I think, gusting gale force 7, which isn't ideal for us. Might be right for sailors. So like and subscribe. Thank you ever so much for following, and I'll catch you on another one very soon. Cheers, guys.